The quality of the Tesla Model S is really poor, and the battery pack broke after running hundreds of thousands of kilometers. For repairman said it would cost hundreds of thousands to replace the entire battery pack, so they asked me to help him repair it and disassemble the battery pack. Let's read the battery report number. No, 5960, the battery voltage is abnormal. One is 3 and the other is 36. The other batteries are both 33. We first find these two batteries, Mode S and one battery.
This is the 10th TV module. Let's take it apart and check it out.
This is battery module No. 10. Let's disassemble the side swing board and test it. The power voltage of No. 5960 is 33, not 3 and 36, which means the battery is okay. Let's check the side swing board.
If the purchased material is corroded by water, remove the rust-colored capacitor. Solder in 2 new capacitors. The BMS has been repaired and reinstalled to try again.
You can only connect it to the low voltage port of the battery pack and read the battery pack data offline. Chapter 5960. The battery low voltage is normal and both are 303. Pack the battery back. Tesla has repaired the car and it can be turned around. The Model S battery pack has been repaired and outputs more than 10 W to the car. What do you think is the appropriate amount of output for our Cheers car?